Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Sonos with Alexa routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with your Amazon account if prompted. Ensure your Sonos speaker is already set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the options presented. Scroll down and select Sonos from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Sonos account. You will be prompted to log in to your Sonos account. Enter your Sonos account credentials and tap Sign In. Once authorized, you'll see a confirmation indicating that your Sonos. Tap Done to return to the main device's screen. To create an Alexa routine, go back to the main menu. Select More from the bottom right corner. Choose Routines from the list of options. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new routine. When this happens, select your preferred trigger. Decide whether the trigger will be a voice command, schedule, or other event. After choosing the trigger, tap Add Action. Select Smart Home from the list of actions. Find and tap on your Sonos device from the available list. Choose the action you want your Sonos speaker to perform. This could include playing music, adjusting the volume, or other functions. You can customize additional settings or add more actions to your routine. Once you are satisfied with your selections, tap Save in the top right corner. Your routine is now created, and Alexa can control your Sonos speaker as specified. Test your routine to ensure it works as intended. Adjust any settings if necessary and enjoy using Alexa with your Sonos system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.